Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OKX API key signatures step by step clearly. To authenticate with the OKX API using key signatures, follow this step-by-step guide. First, create an account on the OKX platform if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the API settings section. Generate a new API key by clicking on the Create API Key button. You will need to provide a name for your API key. Set the permissions for your API key based on your requirements. Make sure to enable the necessary permissions for trading, withdrawal, or reading data. After specifying the settings, click Create to generate your API key. Take note of the API key, secret key, and passphrase once they are generated. Keep these credentials secure as they will be required for authentication. Next, install any necessary libraries for making API requests if you're using a programming language. For Python, you can use the requests library to handle HTTP requests. Import the library in your code environment. Create a function to generate the signature for your API requests. You will need to concatenate your API key, timestamp, and the request body. Use the MAC SHA-256 algorithm to generate the signature. Next, add headers to your API request, including the API key and the generated signature. Also, include the timestamp as a header in the request. Make sure to set the appropriate content type in the headers. Construct your request based on the endpoint you are accessing. Ensure you are using the correct HTTP method, such as GET or POST. Send the request to the OKX API. Handle the response received from the API correctly. Check for any errors and respond accordingly based on the status code. If successful, you should receive the desired data or confirmation of your action. Always refer to the OKX API documentation for further details and guidelines. Test your implementation to ensure everything works smoothly. Make adjustments as necessary based on your testing results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.